Hey guys, I'm Dipti and welcome to my channel, Your Kitchen, Your Room. Well, winter is on, and what's about a hot beverage at a chilling winter evening? Sounds good. And what if it is very healthy and sugar free? Let's make. Today I'm going to show you how to make dates and fig milkshake, and that is without sugar. But before we start, please consider to subscribe my channel and hit the bell so you will be notified by my new upcoming recipes. Let's start. For the milkshake, I am taking fig and dates. I have chopped them so that it can be softened quickly. Now take around 1 cup of milk in a pan and let it come to the boil. As the milk starts boiling, add chopped fig and dates and lower the flame. Stir continuously for around 30 to 40 seconds. If you will not stir continuously, the milk might curdle. Now after 30 to 40 seconds, switch off the flame, cover the lid and keep it aside for 15 minutes so that the dates and fig will become tender. Now after 15 minutes, take a mixie jar, add the soaked dates and fig into it. Now I am adding honey for the sweetness. The dates and fig have their sweetness by their own and honey complements best with it. You can also use some sugar to adjust the sweetness, but this is okay for me. Again, honey is also very good for health, especially in winters. Now this is totally optional to add cocoa powder, but I am adding because I am making it for kids. Well, it tastes so amazing without cocoa powder, and I usually don't prefer to use cocoa every day. But kids love this because it makes it chocolatey. Now add some more milk and we will blend it. Now here a tip. First add a little milk so that everything will cooperate easily. Then you can add the rest milk once everything nicely blended. This way you will have the smooth texture. When everything nicely blended, I have added some more milk and gave it a final blend. And see, it's done. It looks so yummy and it is yummy. You can pour it into a glass directly. But my son is a bit fuzzy, so I'm going to pass it through a sieve to get rid of all the small particles of date's skin, if any. And a smooth, creamy, chocolatey milkshake is ready. And it's super healthy. Let's serve it. It's best when it's warm. A perfect winter beverage. Surely try this recipe and do let me know about your experiences. Please give your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. I love to read your comments, guys, so don't forget. And I will see you soon with another delicious recipe next week. Till then, bye.